guys, with a track that has just crossed the billion mark on YouTube. Just the right vibe, right? Well, guys, we told you guys earlier on, spring is all about fresh looks and new beginnings, and what better way to refresh your style than with handcrafted jewelry. Joining us right now is Zara Janier, owner and operator of My Mind's Design, to showcase her stunning handmade aluminum, copper, wire, and beaded jewelry, perfect for adding a unique touch to any spring outfits, like what she's wearing right now. Like, look at her. There we go. Your very own mannequin right here. Hello.
Yes, wearing the stuff.
Listen, you wouldn't find it to be the real deal if you weren't wearing it, right?
You know what? It really shines bright when it's on the people, not even just me, just on our body.
Yes.
This looks okay, but when it's on the person, it really shines.
Okay, give me the story. Give me the backstory. How did you get started in creating jewelry pieces? You were telling me a little bit earlier on before we came on air that it started at home for you.
At home in the pandemic in 2020. What inspired me actually was a friend of mine. She wanted a nose ring but didn't want to commit to the piercing. So something in my head dinged and I'm just like, I think I can do that. And I did it. And I just kept on making more and more and more. And it was just a quick escalation into the craft. And in the business part, another friend of mine saw what I was doing and she's just like, this needs to be a business. So she made a logo, she made an Instagram page, and I just showed up.
Oh my God.
Shout out to her. Shout out to her.
I just love how this story is just filled with moments where friends are just, you know, helping friends and supporting friends along the way. I love that. Okay, so in terms of the metals though, how did you go about choosing which metal would work for you?
Well, I started out with copper. It has not been my fave. Most of what you see in here is made out of aluminum because that's my preference. And I arranged into aluminum just because of the longevity, but the copper is just what I had around. And I only use it when people request it.
Really? You know, the interesting thing for me is that I've always heard that there are some health benefits to wearing copper. Have you heard that?
It too, yes. Yeah? Like a spiritual aspect to it and also just like absorbing the metal into your body, I guess. I haven't gotten into it as yet.
I mean, consult a medical practitioner, guys, if you want to hear more about it. But this brand is turning 5 years old this year. You've been around a minute, 5 years, you know?
Yes. 5 whole years, crazy.
Yeah, what has that whole journey been like though? And how has the growth been since you started during the pandemic to now in 2025?
The journey has been a lot of things. It's been long and short. It's been exciting, but sometimes slow and requiring patience. But I think the most important thing to me is the journey has been love-filled.
Yeah.
Just like the supportive people who got me into the business, the customers and the friends and family who have become customers have been so cool, supportive, motivating, and the most loving people that I've come across.
Oh, that's so nice.
Honestly speaking, I think the only reason that My Mind's Designs has gotten to be 5 years in operation is because of the love that's been propelling it forward from all these people and motivating me to continue. Okay,
honey, well, let's get into the pieces that you have here. Zara, you have some earrings, some necklaces, some rings. What else do you have?
Statement pieces. So this is actually from our most recent Valentine's collection. I love a nice Valentine's drop. I love the festivities. And these pieces are from that collection.
Okay.
These are my babies, the air huggers. I have them in right now.
I want to make sure that we're getting this very big piece here. How long did this one take you to make? It's so complicated, you know, this one here.
Yes, it took almost weeks.
Oh, wow.
Because I have to come back to it. Is most of the part, the most intensive part of the process is thinking of what I want to get done. And thinking up this piece was a whole situation. Making it is actually the quickest part. Like putting the things together, making the individual parts, but really thinking up what I want to actualize is the hardest part.
How do you choose the stones that would work best with the pieces? Because I'm realizing that you have, in addition to the stones, you also have some buttons here. So if you ever lose a button that you don't know what to do with it, call Zara. She'll pick it up from you and turn it into a piece. But how do you now go about choose the right piece to match the metals, etc., and the styles?
Well, for crystals in particular, I like to set an intention. The Valentine's collection in particular has sacral chakra opening crystals like red jasper, and we have the carnelian and other crystals that's of that nature, and then we have love crystals like rose quartz and angel aura rose quartz in the rings. But unrelated to that, like the buttons, it's going to sound corny, but I like for the things to speak to me and direct me into how it wants to be arranged.
It's not corny, honey. It's fine. It's called alignment. Hello,
alignment. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite word.
Yeah.
I want the piece to be in alignment with how the piece itself wants to be shown up. this button collection in particular really taught me to just slow down and wait on the piece to speak to me. Wait on the piece to let me know how it wants to be designed and curated. That last one, it went through so many phases before it finished, and it came to this beautiful piece with the hanging down.
And I love it. It's an absolute masterpiece. Like when you look at the coordination of it all, it's just gorgeous.
Thank you.
Well, we don't have much time, and I want to get into it. You're going to show us how to make our very own
rings.
Yeah, rings. All right, honey. Walk us through the process.
We're both going to do it. So we're taking it back to 2020 when I just started, and we didn't have much. I didn't have much. I was just getting into it. I used household items.
Right.
So
because when you look at the table, guys, you're going to see what, 3 lip glosses.
Handbag stuff. These are from my handbag. Lip liner, lip gloss. You're going to get one?
Okay.
So you get that lip liner, you get that lip gloss. I think your finger is probably smaller than that. Let's give you this one.
All right.
That's a lipstick.
Okay.
And then I'm going to give you wire. I'm going to get some. I have pliers here, just in case we
Just in case you want to snip it? Okay.
We might.
All right, we're in 2 minutes.
So let's get the long one. Get your liner.
Okay.
Bend it at the end.
Bend it at the end. All right.
Use all your strength. It's a little hard.
Yeah, all right. I'm bending.
A small little loop.
Small loop.
You got one?
Okay. Can't do this. I can't do this.
No help?
No, man, I good to go.
Okay. Don't break the nail.
Not too bad.
I don't want to be responsible.
I can't fix it back.
Perfect.
All right, there we go.
It's at the other end as well, like, man.
All right. No, but Zara, I forgot. Zara, you look like you forgot I am me though. Does it matter?
You're doing good.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Those are beautiful loops.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Big up to me. Hello.
Okay.
Nisha,
Nice.
don't over there hating. Hello.
No, you don't know who
Look at my
this is.
loops, okay? You gotta have some aspiration for your loops, Nisha. Hello. Okay.
And where's your thing? Yes, the lip product.
Yes.
We want these lip products to emulate our fingers.
Okay.
So that's what we're going to create the shape with. Just wrap it around.
Anywhere?
Loop facing.
Okay. Loop facing.
So loop facing.
Got it.
Product. Press. To put your strength in.
Okay.
Oh, you see it's a ring now. You're shaping it into the ring.
What you not saying to me? Just simple, sir?
Press down the top. Yes.
Zara, come on.
Good. I know you're a really good student in school. Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Just slip that on. You have your first
Oh
ring.
my gosh.
Yes.
Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this masterpiece right
That's
here?
way better than mine.
This is so
That's
cool.
beautiful.
Nisha, carry your finger. Come here. Come here, Nisha.
Yes.
No, bring your finger. Come here, Nisha. Because right now, I realize saying a rate me now. You understand?
Sure.
I realize saying a rate me. Give me a finger
Let me
right
see
now.
what you
Take
got.
off that ring
take
off
off
your
this.
finger.
Let me
please.
see.
Take it off with your finger.
Let me see if I approve. I'm not sure.
Okay.
It's so pretty. Hot.
So before I get excited, how much will I charge for this, Debbie? How much? How
It's
much?
$5 grand. Too much. That's $5 grand. That's
You see how we stay at
$5 grand.
Jamaica?
That's $5 grand.
You see how we stay?
Yeah,
$5 grand.
Take off. Why you finger?
Oh,
Give him a ring.
oh God, Debbie.
Excuse me. Hello. Hello.
Earring.
My darling, how do we get in contact with you? Because I'm keeping this.
Lovely, and you should show it
Okay,
off and
good.
tell everybody that
Yeah,
you
I'm keeping
made
this.
it. Follow me on Instagram at myminds_designs. DM me, let me know your ideas. We can get it cracking, make some magic happen, and collaborate.
Love that. High fives.
High
Love
five
it.
to you. Good
Guys, I'm going to be
job.
talking like this for the rest of the day. That was Zara Janier, owner and operator of My Minds Design. Okay? We'll take a break. We'll soon come back.
Thank you.